Hello, my name is Nadir Habib. Today's video we build a View 3.1 extend agent for the car businesses. So let's check that out. Okay, see, let's see. I just generated this entire videos automatically using n8n and View 3.1. No coding software. Just fill a form and get professional videos. Today I will show you how to build this from scratch. So first of all, show the workflow. Here's the form segment video scenes they required and the total scenes required. We require two scenes because two scenes is equals to 8 second first scene and the secondary scene is the 7th. The total second 15 second. I need video to like two scenes and the character name. So first of all, we copy my prompt and paste here and the car name and the paste a car name and the public URL of the image paste in here, and after that the submit the form, the workflow executed. And so first he split your scenes in the two items, and after that they generate the prompt and the first image generation, and go to here. They can start frame image, generate the first image frame. The first frame of the image generation is created, and after that the secondary frame last image frame generation model is working, and after that the Veo 3.1 model that can generate the video, and the model I using Veo 3 first to first and last frame for the reference purpose. So and that is our Google Sheet, and when they generate the uh, here's the show data, and the last frame of the image created, and after a view 3.1 video generation working. uh, so video is created and update in here. After that they when they created, they move on the secondary frame of the secondary scenes. They can they analyze the last image, and after that they analyze the videos, and after that they generated the extended video, and when the extended is completed they move on the render. So now he move on the secondary frame. They analyze the last image model, and the after that they analyze the videos for the last, that is video analyze, and after that they generate the extended videos, and when the extended videos completed, also update in here. mm, for the 921, here's my video, here's my prompt, the last scene, and just one scene is created now, and the secondary scenes is created. They update in Google Sheet. So secondary frame is created, and here's the secondary video. So and the final video is created. So check that out. The 15-second of the video. So So nice videos is cool. That is the our workflow, and so with the first image generation model and the last image frame generator model, and after that the Veo 3.1, and after that if scenes multiple that can generate extend extend the Veo 3.1's videos from the extended, and after that that can render the all your previous Veo 3.1 videos. So let's check that out. Build from scratch. So we will set up n8n cloud. So first we will set up n8n cloud. So method. So and here's I create the full name, company email, and the confirm email address and the account. So let's start the free trial first. So 14 days. Skip the every, and here's the verified account. Mm, Here's I create my workflow. So you just I will provide you the JSONs on my community on my WhatsApp. So you can download the JSON and and paste here, import from file and the download and the now that we have 3.1 versions. So you see that everything's detail is correct. So we move second. So first of all connect APIs, and so now we connect APIs everything, and what it does you need in that workflow what I do, you input scenes description character image the workflow use GPT-4 model analyze scenes create prompts generate first and last image Nano Banana edit model from the Kie API. Create videos view 3.1 previous analyze with extend also with the help of Kie API. Extend scene with smoothly continues on the Kie nodes HTTPS. So stitches everything with the short stack. I use the short stack for the render my all videos by one 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 videos. The previously make also in View 3.1 model. So render all previous 8-second videos to 1 second frame also with second second video. Track, track it all in Google Sheet. In GC, we update and also set up Google Sheet. How I set up Google Sheet? So first I set up n8n cloud versions. It's 14 days free trial. And after that, we set up open APIs, AI APIs keys, ChatGPT, and logging API platform. Continue with Google. I am an owner. I am in my continue my task deploy project, not the love project. Create API key. Yes, you see that your API key is created. So let's paste this here and save and test the API key. Recommended purchase creator. I will buy later. And here's I paste my original API. So testing the save. And you can also set an Anthorpy Solid 4.5 model fallback models. So let's check it out. That is the fallback model. You can replace with the another models like Anthropy. The Anthropy chat model attached in here your Anthropy chat model with the Sonnet 4.5 and create your credentials like API key, like go to the APIs on the Anthropy.com. The try not to the try and go to the developer account and connect your developer account and shares you $5 add in the cloud developer accounts, and after that you get the APIs and paste here API key and just paste it and the nice models, and you can add the fallback model with the Anthorpy Sound 4.5 model. And let's create the Kie API. So first we Kie API. Here's you attach your billing for the $5 credit. Mm, Add here $5, buy with the card, buy with the PayPal, buy with the crypto. So let's connect with the API. You just need to API usage, API keys. So let's copy your API key and paste in your API keys in here. Paste your API keys in here. The You connect your Kie APIs. Now we connect the Shotstack API keys. So and here's you just go to the Shotstack and the log in your Shotstack accounts, try for free and log in. And here's your API playgrounds and the go to setting, and here's your API keys. Just copy that API key, the sandbox API key, and paste in paste in the header auth with the API slash space, after that the key, and paste your sandbox API keys and the name, and just save the API key, and after that you just need to attach your Google Sheet. So now we connect Google account on the console cloud.google. So first of all we log in the Google Cloud Console, the enable the Google Drive API. Just you need to enable Google Drive API first. The key is enabled, and now we move Google Sheet. Now we move Google Sheet API and the manage API and the credentials setup. Create credentials, the out client ID, and the sign in. If you're on cloud, you need to sign in, and if you're on the host server, you just need to create the client auth ID, configure console, and the get started, and write name here, your Bethullah, and attach your email, the next, the internal and the external to ensure your purchase. You need to verify your app. Which user with the organization will not need support the app or verification. I think that is maybe not external. So contact email I provide here, and finish. We create the create client is the web application, and the Tullah API 1 API 1, and the add the authorized redirect here, and here's you on the your own cloud server, and here's you see the auth redirect URL, and paste in your add redirect URLs, and just submit here, and the data access, go to the data access, and after that API is created, and you just need to create client ID and client secret, paste in your the client ID and client secret is here, and after that we the and that all APIs keys for the 100. So first we authorize by the name and update your APIs keys to get permission for the all APIs key. And after that, here's the option you see the and here's you see the option for the testing purpose you user testing. You just need go to the user testing panel, and here's you provide your email, and after that your host and it and the Google Sheet account is created. So API connect. So I am on the n8n cloud. So we just need to log in our just login Google account, and access block disabled requested invalid. I don't know why they ask. Google Sheet, and here's the Google Sheet copy sheet, and go to here and just copy the Google Sheet, make a copy, and when they make a copy you just need make a copy like to. When the copy is created you just go to the Google Sheet, then you connect your Google account on the n8n Google Cloud here locally. You just see here, you see here your Google Sheet account, and just need to connect your Google Sheet accounts, and you see that every account is connected. Your Google Sheet account when connected, then automatically field is created. So after that we analyze video on the Google APIs Connect. So AI Studio and log in the Google AI Studio and create API key and paste here API key and save the APIs keys, and after that we first we answer the same mark in. So goodbye.